Hello everyone, welcome to tutorial ArcGIS. In this video I want to show how to change PDF file to TIFF file. Let's begin. Go to search, write PDF to TIFF, click PDF to TIFF. In this window, input PDF file, PDF file, open, specify a folder, write the name, save, PDF password. If your PDF file have password, you can write the password here. PDF page number, we have just one page, it's okay. Finally, okay. Yeah, it's done. It is a TIFF file, and now we can use in ArcGIS. Thank you for watching.